If you ever push the start button and this screen doesn't turn on, then here's a couple things that you need to try in order to get it, like just troubleshoot it to make sure that it's actually not working before you call an appliance company to come out. Because we were just pushing this power button and it wasn't turning on, but then we did these steps that I'm about to tell you and it started working again. So we're back in business here. So I just want to share this with you to hopefully help anybody who's having the same issue as us. So go to the breaker box and check to see which one is the dishwasher and just turn it to the side and then give it a couple seconds and then turn it back. Or just checking to make sure that it's not any issue with that. And then next thing that we checked was down here. We went down to the plugs down here and pulled them out and then put them back in. And then we actually switched the plugs as well. So we moved the white one from the top one down to the bottom one and then moved the black one up. And just doing those two things of doing the circuit breaker and switching these plugs and just checking to make sure power was there, that got it up and working again. So just doing those things, now you can push power and it goes on just like normal and you're back in business again. At least that's how it worked for us. So hopefully if you try those things, then it will work for you as well so that you don't need to get an appliance guy to come over to do these simple steps. So try this before you call someone, just in case. Make sure it's not that.